Telo no mar FKF Kisumu Central League kanyakla koda jotugo go eko mag adhula mabende wuok e kar chung'o buranero ma Kisumu Central gikone to koro wuok oko kendo goero kamano malich mokalo ne johala kendo jasiasa mano migosi Edward Onyango mabende ng'ere koda nying mar Bob CEO kuom ne nyiedhre oko kendo siro tukigo eko iganieri. Kagin tukego eko mabende osebedo kadhi nyime Kisumu Central kanyo mabende ne ochopo gikone e giko dira mabende okalo nieri. Migosi Edward Onyango e tok mare kod jofombo nonyiso mor mare kotende koda tugo maket kod maendi.
The Kisumu Central tournament, and I'm very happy. I want to congratulate the boys for their dedication and effort throughout the season. I also want to thank the coaches, our chairman of FKF Kisumu County, Kisumu Central, for their effort, dedication, and taking their time in developing the talents of our youth, and ensuring that they can also get time to play and be exposed.
Kabende en kaka rawera kendo jaerago eko mag weche mag tuke Kisumu Central Sub-County Bob wacho ni oikore malich mokalo mar biro chung kod timbe gi eki kanyakla koda jotugo gi eki kendo siro gi e kindego eko mabiro.
Unemployment, and if we take sports as a pillar of development, this can really help our kids get employment in the country and abroad. In sports, I'm a fan of sports. I'm sponsoring sports both in football. I'm also sponsored. I'm the team manager of boxing. My vision is to support sports, come up with policies that can empower our sports associations, also come up with policies that can increase funding and sponsorships for our youth and sports, because we see that we are having a very big gap.
Kata kamano migosi Bob CEO ne okokoso ote ne FKF Kisumu Central.
Is hapa chini ndio kuna talent. Hapa grassroots we have the talent. This is where Akina Mariga came from. This is where Akina Village came from. And Kisumu is always a powerhouse in sports. Be it hockey, be it rugby, be it basketball, be it football. So to FKF, you can increase your funding to the grassroots so that you can also tap the grassroots from the talents of the grassroots.
Kabende moko kuom jodito e FKF Kisumu Central kuro ne ogoero kamano malich mokalo ne jaohala migosi Bob CEO kata Edward Onyango kuom sir mabende ne giyudo kuomgi. Migosi Davis Ouma kanyakla koda migosi Kennedy Ouma duto gin jokanyo e FKF Kisumu Central.
If you can't get it, forget about it. The direction is Bob CEO. He's the youthful man who has joined the sport. None has done this, and so we have to work with him. So on the grassroots, he has talked of it. We'll continue to partner with him to do more, to tap talent so that we can transform our region. Because as you can see now, we have only team in Super League, that is Kisumu All-Stars. But being that we are the bedrock of sports, we should have been having a team in Premier League. So we have to work with him is the direction. Thank you so much.
And today, I'm a happy person because this one, I can say this one is my project. Kisumu Central always has been my project. This is where I started my leadership of FKF, and I have got no doubt in my mind that the teams that actually come through Kisumu Central normally wins the FKF Kisumu County playoffs. Even right away, last season, we actually promoted Vision Combined, and they are topping the table right away. So which means Kisumu Central has the quality, and I'm proud of it as their former leader now.
Korka korgi team mabende no wuok joloch e piem maket kod maendi mano Nyalanda Youngsters no nyiso mor malich mokalo kuom ne kawo kombe e tukono ero mabende koro ne ochopo e giko. Billy Agai en japuonj adhula Nyalanda Youngsters kono.
The only leader that has really helped the young people in terms of sports is Bob CEO. He brought us balls to kick off the league. So again, at the final, we are seeing him here. So he has been here for us. So I'll just encourage all of us to work with him. You know what he wants, and to me, I will give him my support To my side, to my team, I think we have really worked it. We have really struggled. We have really worked hard. We had teamwork. Just imagine playing a league without a lose. We have played unbeaten from game 1 to today, the last one. So it is a big work done.
Nekala TV ko ke Kisumu County and Justice Adoyo.